In this video, we are going to learn how to create a pie chart. So using a macros and so we can do it as I already told you with the recording the macros, and then you can save and use that listed where you were save your macros. Now let's see in the visual basis how we can write a code for that. We already learned column chart, pie chart, line chart. Okay, so no, column chart, bar chart and line chart. Now we are going to learn how to create a pie chart. It is as simple as we just need to change some things from that. So let's see first. Go to the developer tab using a Alt F11 and the visual basics, and now you can see this window will open, and go to your in the project section and check where is your sheet. Now my sheet name is pie chart, so click on that pie chart and right click on that and insert a module. Okay, so insert module where we can write our code. So what is the name of my macros? Is create pie chart. Okay, now there is a object and create like a chart object name is there, so that is declare a variable called chart object. Okay, to store like a chart object, so that will represent our pie chart. So this is our variable. It is a short form like a object, so that is storing here in the chart object. Okay, so now then set chart object active sheet. So this is our where you are working. So this is my active sheet. So it like a creating new object chart on the active sheet, like the which I have currently selected, and then it's assigned to the chart object variable. Okay, the number like 100, 350, 355. Okay, to represent the position and the size of. Okay, so this is our position and size of your chart where you want to display your chart. Okay, now then we have like a chart object and chart type as we know, and this is the resource. So set resource data for where is your range. Okay, so my range is A1 to B6. Okay, then chart type. So I already told whenever you have the different chart, you can use xl.py where you have column, then use as a column, and you have the line, then you can use a line. So then chart object, chart title. If you there is a in the manual also there are lots of options. You can do it the simple. Whenever you have a simple chart, you can use this. Now the text title I want to cell distribution. Okay, because whenever you are using a pie chart, you are showing for the like distribution. Okay, means what is the percent of this particular cell or this particular value. Okay, so after that click on Control S or save it your macros, and you can add a button using the insert developer tab. In insert, add a button and assign your macros to perform that whichever you saved your macros. Okay, it is a control, so you can give in the control for that button to perform this code. Okay, I don't want to go again and again in the visual basics and run this code, so I am just this code I am assigning to something that control panel. Okay, so then you can click on run, and you can see now with the proper size of your chart is here. Now you can see with the name, with the like subtitles. Okay, with the January we have this much. Okay, if you want to add a value that you already add up with the dot values, and if you want a percent, that is also possible. So this is our column chart, line chart and a pie chart. These are the basic and mostly used chart. Okay, so you can practice it with the using different small data set and try it out to write a code, so that will you understand it better way.